Choosing the right windows and doors for your Pasadena home is a decision that goes far beyond aesthetics. The right windows and doors can enhance your home's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and even increase its overall value. With Pasadena's mix of historic charm and modern architecture, homeowners have a wide variety of options to choose from, each offering its own set of benefits. Whether you're building a new home or renovating your existing space, the windows and doors you select will play a significant role in your home's functionality and style. In this article, we'll guide you through the process of selecting the perfect windows and doors for your Pasadena home, considering key factors like style, energy efficiency, security, and durability. Consider the architectural style of your home. One of the first things to consider when selecting windows and doors is the architectural style of your Pasadena home. The right windows and doors can enhance your home's character, while mismatched styles can detract from its beauty. Traditional homes. For homes with classic, traditional architecture, wooden windows and doors are often the best choice. They provide a timeless, elegant look that complements historic Pasadena homes, such as craftsman-style houses or colonial homes. Consider windows with grills or sashes for an authentic feel. Modern homes. If you have a more modern or minimalist design, opt for sleek, clean lines and large, expansive windows. Aluminum or fiberglass doors and windows with floor-to-ceiling glass panels are ideal for letting in natural light and showcasing the views of Pasadena's beautiful surroundings. Mediterranean homes. For homes with Mediterranean influences, arched windows and doors in warm wood or stucco frames can add the finishing touch. These designs complement the warmth and charm of Pasadena's Mediterranean Revival architecture. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the most important factors to consider when selecting windows and doors, especially in Pasadena, where temperatures can fluctuate throughout the year. Energy-efficient windows and doors can significantly reduce your energy costs by minimizing heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Double or triple glazed windows. These windows have multiple panes of glass with insulating gas between them, providing excellent insulation from heat and cold. They help keep your home warm in winter and cool in summer without straining your HVAC system. Low E glass. Low emissivity, low E glass coatings reflect heat back into your home during the winter and keep your home cooler in the summer by blocking ultraviolet (UV) rays. Low E glass helps protect your furnishings from fading while maintaining energy efficiency. Weather stripping and seals. Ensure that your windows and doors are properly sealed. Air leaks around poorly sealed windows and doors can cause drafts, reducing your home's energy efficiency. Opt for windows and doors with tight seals to minimize energy loss. Security features. Your windows and doors are essential components of your home's security system. When choosing new windows and doors for your Pasadena home, make sure to prioritize security features that will provide peace of mind for you and your family. Impact-resistant glass. Consider installing windows and doors with impact-resistant glass for added security. This type of glass is designed to withstand impact, making it more difficult for intruders to break through. It's also beneficial in protecting your home from storms, which is especially important in areas with fluctuating weather conditions. Multi-point locking systems. For doors, especially entry doors, choose models with multi-point locking systems. These systems secure your door at multiple points, making it more difficult for burglars to break in. Reinforced frames. Opt for doors and windows with reinforced frames, especially if you live in an area with higher security concerns. Stronger materials, like steel or fiberglass, provide added protection against forced entry. Durability and maintenance. Your windows and doors are an investment in your home, and you want them to last for many years with minimal maintenance. Choosing the right materials for durability and ease of maintenance will save you time and money in the long run. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are known for their low maintenance and long-lasting durability. They don't require painting and are resistant to moisture, warping, and fading, making them an ideal choice for homeowners in Pasadena's sunny climate. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are highly durable and energy efficient. They require minimal maintenance, are resistant to wear and tear, and can replicate the appearance of wood doors, making them a versatile option for both modern and traditional homes. Wooden windows and doors. While wooden windows and doors offer a classic look, they require regular maintenance to keep them in top shape. They may need to be repainted every few years to prevent weathering and ensure that they remain functional and visually appealing. Noise reduction. If you live in a busy part of Pasadena or near a main road, noise pollution can be a concern. Fortunately, many modern windows and doors are designed to help with noise reduction, creating a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Double or triple glazing. As mentioned earlier, double and triple glazed windows are great for insulation and also serve as a barrier to sound. They can help block out external noise, such as traffic or neighbors, providing a more tranquil living space. Laminated glass. Laminated glass, which features a plastic interlayer between two panes of glass, is another excellent option for soundproofing. It's ideal for homes located in noisy areas and provides an added layer of protection. Budget consideration. Finally, when choosing windows and doors for your Pasadena home, consider your budget. While it's tempting to go for the most affordable options, it's important to weigh the long-term benefits of higher quality, energy-efficient windows and doors. Sometimes spending a little more upfront can result in significant savings over time due to lower energy bills, reduced maintenance, and enhanced security. Conclusion. Choosing the perfect windows and doors for your Pasadena home is a balance of style, functionality, and efficiency. By considering factors like architectural style, energy efficiency, security features, and durability, you can make an informed decision that will not only enhance the beauty of your home but also improve its comfort, value, and safety. Whether you opt for vinyl windows, fiberglass doors, or energy-efficient glass, the right windows and doors will provide long-lasting benefits that enhance your home for years to come.